guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and I know it's been a long time. I haven't posted anything on Instagram, YouTube, no update on my CUET, that no update what college I'm going to, and I really know you guys having doubt about my CUET score. What is my percentile? Am I going to Delhi? And this video is not regarding that. This video is about the books I used for CUET, and very quickly I'll make a video on CUET result and the college, because my college is decided and I have college from 21st of this month. From 21st I have introduction sessions, and from August 3 my semester will finally start and I will finally go to college, because it is so boring. Literally every student right now wants to go college, and my whole feed is with that. This video is about the books I used for CUET, because I'm just giving these books to my juniors, so I just wanna make a video before that tell you what the books I used. And most of the books were bought 2-3 months before my exam, because मैंने CUET देने का फैसला थोड़ा लेटली लिया था, इसीलिए. So here are my books. Literally there are a lot of books. I kept everything aside with division. I gave exam of maths, GAT, English and chemistry. I already actually prepared for physics also, but I haven't given for physics. Let's start. So first let's talk about GAT, because GAT for all streams it is common. So I think maximum but लोग GAT ज़रूर लेती है, इसलिए let's start with GAT. And in GAT logical is my favorite, because you can cover the syllabus easily, you can score better in logical comparatively in quant, but questions इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आते हैं comparatively quant, but it's very less time consuming comparatively quant. So for logical I used Careers Adda and the Super Guides one, this and from Careers Adda, this book. They both literally, if you solve this, every type of questions will be done. For quant also I used both these books, Super Guides and this one, Careers Adda, because you all know I took batch of Careers Adda in the last minute for covering the syllabus. So just they gave the book, and the other book is Oswald for everything. This is GAT all in one, and my papers were also came. See, it's like I practiced this book because I took this book from the starting, and this is the book I did from the beginning. If you have confusion regarding the syllabus, basic syllabus, first you can solve this Oswald book. Maximum of your doubts will be cleared by this. And the first book I took in GAT was this. Unfortunately, this is last year syllabus. Like, it is 2025 exam syllabus. I don't know this. Later I realized it is not my syllabus. And the main part, GK and current affairs. Literally in the last few days of my GAT exam, I was just catching my head and sitting, because the current affairs are literally so hard and you can't even tell where questions come from. And this is the book I bought 1 month before, and I barely read this because it is so boring, guys. But there is a lot of information in this book. This is the yearly current affairs for competitive exam. This is from Disha Publications, and this is very good. But I found this book nearly just one month left for my exams, then I got this book. So if you want to buy this book, then buy it early, because you need to cover everything. And the same, I took a set for the Super Guides and the Careers Adda. You'll get a logical, quant and GK. This is GK book of Super Guides, and I think I just did half, because I haven't covered my GK syllabus. I just depended on logical and quant, and I was very perfect in logical. Quant also few topics I was not that good at calculations. and this is another book for GK. And it is written as 2027, but how do they even know? This has information about history, geography, Indian polity, Indian economy, current affairs, and this is actually good, but I just barely read 10 pages in that. And I got it for buy offer. This one, I just bought two books. I just got this one for offer. And now it's time for the another important subject, which is English, and the most scoring subject, guys. In English, RC is very important, and you need to use correct books. Like I used most of the books for careers Adda, and this is a lifesaver. Like this contains a lot of RC. In the beginning, I used to get very confusing, like from where I need to solve the RC questions, because in ChatGPT, if you ask, it gives very, like, the LKG students can also solve that questions. The ChatGPT give that kind of questions, and internet you can't easily find. And looking that much time on the screen, your eyes will get paining. Like used to create a clumsy, but after I found this book, I think I did the whole book 2 to 3 times repeatedly. And it also I just used to keep a timer and used to check how much time I need to complete a single passage. And this have every level from easy, difficulty, medium, average, like everything. So this is best book for RC, reading comprehension. And these are the two other books. This is from Careers Adda Overall English, and this is Oswald, another savior. I think I have every Oswald book and Super Guides book, because they are lifesavers for every exam, even for your 10th, even for your JE, not for JE. I use the Oswald books for my 10th also, and this is my meanings book. I used to write meanings and antonyms, synonyms, everything. And I suggest you to maintain a book like this. Write daily 4 to 5, at least 5 words, because it is just beginning. It's been just a month since your preparation is started. So maintain a book like this. It is very useful, because meanings are literally very important in CUET English. And let's go to stream. I know most of the members taking BBA would be from a commerce stream, but I'm a science stream student. And for Delhi University, you need to select a stream which you are studying from. So I selected physics, maths, chemistry, but मैंने physics का exam नहीं दिया था. And in chemistry, I changed my subject in the last days. So chemistry, I don't really have books. I just have the NCERT, because NCERT plays a crucial role in physics and chemistry. So I just used this chemistry part 1 and part 2 and Careers Adda book. Actually, I got this sets from the app for the course I took in the last minute. So this is the book. And for maths, literally, guys, I really wish I had an option to select applied maths, because it is far better than the mathematics. But same, you can't select a subject which you are not studying for CUET, the same problem. But I wrote mathematics, not applied maths. For maths, I used books. I used Arihant. This is also very good. Actually, I won't mark, because I will solve the same thing again and again. Because if I don't have resources, I'll start solving the things again. If I take the answer, I'll know the answer. So I just won't want to solve the answer again. That's why I just don't mark answers in my book. I just keep a paper aside, solve it, and write answer ABCD on that. So my books look very neat. And this is the Max book, and the Oswald is mandatory. Oswald and Careers Adda. These two books are compulsory for all the subjects because they contain everything, every topic. And if anyone wants to take a batch, I suggest you to take Careers Adda or Physics Wala. And I think I don't have Physics Wala books for this thing because I haven't ordered. In my first year, I prepared for JEE. I have JEE books, Physics Wala JEE books I have, but I not solved half of the syllabus. So, and now comes the last subject, which is physics. Physics is also NCERT. NCERT is lifesaver, guys. Like, this is enough for the most of the theory subjects. And here are the physics books. This I took in my first year while I'm preparing for JEE. And Careers Adda, and Arihant. I used Arihant and Careers Adda books for physics, and that's all for the books. These are all the books I used for CUAT. There are a lot of books, but I think I covered most of the books except GK and NCERT. I read most of the NCERT. And max, I think I missed few questions in max because there are a lot of questions, and solving that many questions, it's very hectic. And done, guys, exams are finally done, and in few days holidays will be also done. Back to college life, back to making new friends. It feels like you need to start everything from the beginning, and next 3 years gonna be very crucial. And guess what, I started my CAT preparation. I know most of the people were interested in CAT nowadays because IIMs are getting very famous. So it's my dream to get into it. Not only IIM, I have a dream of getting into FMS Delhi. So I just don't want to neglect it this time and not make it happen. So I just want to concentrate. I started finding resources. I want to find resources and start my preparation. And I'm gonna guide you guys too for CUET and everything. So if you have anything, comment down in the comment section and just tell me. Subscribe, guys. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. Just make it happen. And I have another news too. That is, I haven't applied for Delhi University. I know it's a big shocker because my dream is getting into DUSS but I haven't even applied. It's not because I can't get into it. I just not even registered for DU. I just tell everything about my college information, why I haven't even applied, everything in detail in next video. I know I'm not being regular, but I'm back home and my college is about to start. I'm gonna give you brand new information about everything. Just you need to subscribe. Bye guys. Subscribe.